Did you know that copper might be on track to outshine even gold and silver in the coming years? It sounds surprising, right? But as we stand on the brink of a massive technological revolution, this often overlooked metal is quietly becoming the backbone of our future. Today, we're going to explore why copper isn't just another commodity. It's a critical asset in our global shift toward a more electrified world. Let's jump right in. The world is rapidly moving towards electric vehicles, renewable energy, and artificial intelligence, and all of these innovations have one thing in common: they need a lot of copper. Right now, global demand for copper is around 25 million metric tons per year. But here's the kicker. Experts project that number could surge to about 33 million metric tons by 2030. That's a massive 32% increase in just a few years. The problem? Supply just isn't keeping up. It can take over a decade to develop a new copper mine, and existing ones are facing all sorts of disruptions. This growing gap between what we need and what we can get is creating what economists call a structural deficit. And when demand outstrips supply, you know what happens next. Prices can really take off. So what exactly is fueling this copper revolution? Let's break down the three main drivers. First, we have electrification and renewable energy. The global push for cleaner energy requires huge investments in infrastructure. Think about all the electrical wiring for new power grids, wind turbines, and solar farms. As more countries commit to cutting carbon emissions, the demand for copper is set to explode. Second, the electric vehicle boom is a total game changer. Modern EVs need significantly more copper than traditional gasoline-powered cars, thanks to their complex battery systems, electric motors, and charging infrastructure. Every time someone switches to an EV, the demand for copper gets another boost. This isn't a temporary trend, it's a fundamental shift in transportation. And third, a new driver has entered the scene: artificial intelligence. The AI boom is creating a massive need for new data centers. These facilities are packed with copper wiring for power and data transmission, as well as for thermal management to keep all that powerful hardware cool. Analysts at top firms like Goldman Sachs have highlighted that the incredible spending on AI infrastructure will be a major force driving copper prices higher in the years to come. These aren't just passing fads. They represent deep, lasting shifts in our global economy. Now, let's put this in perspective and compare copper with its more famous cousins, gold and silver. Historically, gold is seen as a safe haven asset. People flock to it during times of economic uncertainty or financial stress. It's a defensive play. Copper, on the other hand, is an industrial growth asset. Its price tends to rise when economies are expanding and building new things. Silver is a bit of a hybrid with both industrial and precious metal characteristics, making it more volatile. While gold protects your wealth during a downturn, copper is positioned to thrive during periods of growth and technological advancement. Given the long-term trends of electrification and AI, copper's demand has a structural support that gold and silver just don't have. We're already seeing real-world examples of this. Just recently, supply disruptions caused a noticeable spike in copper prices as the market started waking up to this looming deficit. Major automakers are publicly ramping up their EV production goals, which directly translates to more copper consumption. At the same time, tech giants are pouring billions into building new data centers to power the AI revolution, further tightening the copper market. So, to wrap it all up, copper is far more than just another metal. It's a foundational element for our technological future. With a structural supply deficit on the horizon and powerful demand driven by electrification, electric vehicles, and AI, copper is uniquely positioned for significant growth. It seems this humble red metal is ready for its moment in the spotlight. What do you think about copper's future? Is it time to start paying more attention to it as a key asset? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into market trends and investing. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another commodity shaping our world. Thanks for watching.